In this video, let's discuss the strategy for learning data science smartly and for free. First, download a freely available book called An Introduction to Statistical Learning, or as it is commonly known as ISLR. Now, the link for that book will be in the description box of this video. It has applications of model development and intuition for models specifically in R. So you get the best of everything: math, statistics and programming in R. And that too written in such a way that even if you don't have a good background in programming or maths or statistics, you'll be able to appreciate everything. So this will be the first thing which you will do. After you have read that book, you need to learn Python and R. And for Python and R, I would say that there are a lot of good YouTube channels. I'll be attaching the links for them as well. And if you want to know more about programming, because generally people who are new to programming have a lot of ideas and misconceptions about programming. So I have made a video on how to learn any programming language, discussing the basic pillars of any programming language. After you have done this and you want to structure your studies, do enroll in any free course available in NPTEL, Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn, whatnot. So the key here is try to find good courses which are for free. Now I'll be linking few free courses on data sciences in the description box of the video again. There are also a lot of very good YouTube channels available from which you can learn small concepts of data science, which will give you a lot of boost in your data science journey. The plan laid out in this video is just a stepping stone for you to build a career in data science.